Assalamu-Alaikum everyone, this is me Saeed Harlisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel How to Seek with a new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Gmail account. So without spending a time, let's get back towards the video. But before starting the video I'm going to do a little bit of request to you that if now you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscribe it and press the bell icon as well for the further more informative videos like this. Let's get back towards the desktop. So this is my desktop screen and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser and click on this one icon and here click on this add option. Click on sign in, sorry, and create a new account. You have to give first name like Izhar Sayyed. Password, any sort of password you want to give, so you can give and then click on next. So here you have to give your phone number. You've received OTP one-time password for verification. So you have to give OTP in your inbox. You have to write it. Click on verify. After verify, you have to give your recovery email. It is optional. If you want, so you can give. If you don't want, so you can give. If for instance in the future you forget your this one Gmail and you want to recover it, for that you have to write this one Gmail account which you give here, like a recovery email address. Optional. This is optional. I'm gonna recommend you that you have to write it right here, and here you have to give your date of birth, here day, here month, and here year. And here you have to select your gender. You are male. If you're female, so you can select a female. I am male, alhamdulillah, so and click on next. Yes, I am in. Click on yes, I am in. So this is all privacy in terms towards from Google. If you want, so you can read it all. Otherwise you can scroll down and click on I agree option. And now congratulations, your Gmail account is created. And you have to just click on yes I am in, and your Gmail account is created completely. Here you can select the color and then here time. So your new Gmail account is created. Great. So this is all about today's video. If today's video is a little bit informative or helpful for you, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So make sure that you subscribe. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.